Hi, this is a review for the Fisher-Price Ocean Wonders Gentle Waves mobile, and I've just put it in the cot and I'll switch it on for you now. It has classical music and ocean sounds and 3 little fish that swivel around on an arm that moves from right to left and left to right, and you can see there's my son underneath waiting patiently, so I'll just put it on for you now and you can see what it's like. Go up to the box. You can see there the fish is the sounds of the ocean and the star plays the lullabies. So I'll just press it for the lullabies. So the fish just rotate on themselves as the arm sways from left to right. It does seem to keep his attention, but the only thing is it moves quite slowly, and you can probably hear the arm really squeaks. Lovely idea, but I don't know, I think the squeaking would probably get on my nerves after a while, but so far he seems to like it. Just go a bit closer, you can see the fish. So they really do turn very, very slowly. See, they turn more as they go closer, as they get more at a 90-degree angle. Okay, and I'll just show you the sounds, the ocean sounds. I don't know, he's starting to look a bit bored. So there you have it, Fisher-Price Gentle Waves musical mobile. With 3 fish, you've got a selection of lullabies. Just press the button to change the lullaby, and then ocean sounds, and you've got 2 volume settings which aren't too loud, so yeah, I think that would probably put him to sleep apart from the squeaky arm. Anyway, I hope that this review will be useful to you. Bye!